Knowledge base is one of the three main sources the bot uses to learn from and answer community questions. Simply click on button with the text Add Question to get started. Formulations field is for you to write the question you want to add. You can add any question you like here without worrying too much about how it's written. Why should you care about adding question answers in your knowledge base? Well, the information you add to your knowledge base supersedes all. So let's say you are worried that the bot might learn from outdated information present in your chat history, or maybe your documentation is not up to date. To solve this problem, you can simply add those questions and answers in your knowledge base, and the bot will only use the information from here to answers. Just how you added the question in the formulation field, you can add the answer to that question in the answer field below. Once you're done, just scroll down and click the Save button. And just like that, you've successfully added the question and answer to your knowledge base. You can always come back and edit any of the questions and answers in your knowledge base. Do this by clicking on the Edit button right here. You can also add different formulation of the same question by clicking on the Add Formulation button. This can be useful if you reckon that there might be more than one way your community might ask the same question. But don't worry, you don't have to do this. As in most cases, the bot will automatically recognize the question even if it's not worded the same way. Let's call this being extra safe. Then hit Save to save changes. That's how you use your knowledge base to add questions and answers so the bot can learn from them and overlook any outdated information present elsewhere. Remove any entry by clicking the Delete button. Thanks for watching.